Baka nako-confuse sila sa MagSafe at wireless charging. Mansanas 8 pataas have wireless charging. MagSafe wireless charging is sa 12 pataas na yata na-introduce. Magnets lang naman difference, although some may agree about sa speed din ng charging. So that is comment from RC. So to clear this out, honestly, hindi talaga ako ganun ka knowledgeable and aware dun sa mga hindi ko nagamit na phones. So hindi ko kasi na-experience makagamit ng wireless charging when I had my iPhone 8 and iPhone 10. So hindi ko pa siya na-try. But yun nga, nag-research lang ako, nag-check ako. And what I asked Google is it MagSafe? So kaya ang answer ni Google is no kasi hindi pala talaga siya MagSafe. So thank you for clearing this out, RC. So 12 pataas is magnetic safe, meaning dumidikit siya. So may magnet na mechanism si Mansanas phone mo. But iPhone 8 pataas daw is accepting a wireless charger. So pwede na siya sa wireless. So gagana pala itong product natin. So this is a magnetic safe wireless charging. So kahit hindi magnetic safe, wireless charger pa rin siya. So to clear this out again, yes, gumagana siya sa Mansanas 8 above kasi meron na pala siyang wireless charging. But if you are asking is it MagSafe, that is for Mansanas 12 pataas.